Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with rain cats and dogs" idiom. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever been outside when it's raining heavily? Imagine if cats and dogs were falling from the sky instead of water. That's where the idiom comes from. But it doesn't mean it's literally raining cats and dogs. Rain cats and dogs means to rain heavily. It's a way to describe heavy rain in a more creative and fun way. For example, it's raining cats and dogs outside, so don't forget your umbrella. To remember the idiom, think of cats and dogs falling from the sky. It's a silly image, but it's also memorable. You can also associate it with heavy rain to help remember the meaning. Let me tell you a story. I was walking to work when it started raining cats and dogs. I was soaked by the time I got there, but at least I had my raincoat. Fun fact number 1, the idiom dates back to the 17th century. Fun fact number 2, it's believed to have originated in England. Fun fact number 3, the French have a similar idiom that translates to "it's raining ropes." Example sentence number 1, it's raining cats and dogs outside, so I'm going to stay in. The speaker is saying it's raining heavily, so they're not going out. Example sentence number 2, I can't believe it's raining cats and dogs on my wedding day. The speaker is expressing frustration that it's raining heavily on their special day. Sentence, it's raining cats and dogs outside. Rephrased sentence 1, it's raining heavily outside. Rephrased sentence 2, it's pouring outside. I once got caught in the rain without an umbrella. It was raining cats and dogs, and I was completely drenched. But then a stranger offered me their umbrella, and it made my day. The idiom reminds us to be kind to others, even when it's pouring outside. Similar expressions, it's pouring outside, it's raining buckets, it's a deluge. Opposite expressions, it's a clear day, the sun is shining. Related idioms, a storm in a teacup, under the weather. Let me tell you another story. It was a dark and stormy night, and it was raining cats and dogs. I was feeling scared, but then I remembered the idiom and it made me smile. It's amazing how a simple phrase can bring comfort in difficult times. Quiz time! What does the idiom rain cats and dogs mean? A. It's literally raining cats and dogs. B. It's raining heavily. C. It's a sunny day. Answer B. The idiom rain cats and dogs means to rain heavily. To summarize, the idiom rain cats and dogs means to rain heavily. It's a fun and creative way to describe the weather. Remember to be kind to others, even when it's pouring outside. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't let the rain cats and dogs get you down. Share your thoughts in the comments below.